Look who's here, look who's here. It's my little friend. Who is my little girl? I don't rhyme. We know that, don't we? Are you getting hungers? Is that what's going on? You have like stuff all over you. What are you doing? She's such a little poop. Today is a fun day. I have a special delivery. You better be a good... Look at this. Clean Beauty Club. You've always been our VIP, but now you can earn points towards product discounts and special offers through our new loyalty program. Join today and get 500 points just for signing up. Look forward to can't miss perks like birthday offers, free products, exclusive sneak peeks, memberships, and so much more. 1, sign up. 2, earn points. 3, get rewards. Great. This is from Mychelle. So this company is amazing. I interviewed Katie Wiggy. She was just on the podcast. And, she gave me a little note. Cassandra, thank you so much for including me in your Clean Beauty podcast. I had so much fun and hope we can connect again. Enclosed are some of my favorite Mychelle and Crystal products, and I hope you enjoy. Clean Science Professional Results, guys. Cool. She's the VP of Marketing and Innovation. So she helps develop these, which is really, really cool. I feel like I had a scientist on. Like, she's amazing. So this is a crystal deodorant. It smells amazing. I could definitely smell the lavender in there. Very unique, different packaging. This is a roll-on deodorant, and it's made with essential oils and satisfaction is guaranteed. So this is another one. I don't smell anything in this one. It's supposed to be 24 hours. This is the Ultra Hyaluronic Eye Gel. It has acid and caffeine that brightens and hydrates. Very cool. This is what it looks like. Oh, there's the seal on it. Because I don't want to open it until I need it. That is one thing that I've learned over the course of the last year, getting all these packages. Some stuff ends up going bad if you open it and you're not ready to use it yet. And some of these are for giveaways as well. Serums and oil, Perfect C Pro Serum. This is a cool little bottle. I feel like it's glass. Awesome. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. This is an SPF, Sun Shield SPF 50. This is a hydrating cream. This is a beauty mist. Ooh, I love mist. Sweet Treats Refining Sugar Cleanser. New Lip Hints Conditioning Lip Balm Sheer. Oh, is there 2 different things in here? What? Oh my gosh. Oh, did I open that wrong? Oh, cool. Oh, hi, Obi. This is a sugar cleanser, and then there's a lip conditioning lip balm. Oh my gosh, cool. I feel like it's Christmas. Pro Speed Peel. Ooh, I love peels. I'm almost out of my beauty counter one. Night cream, Remarkable Retinol Night Cream. Oh my God, there's one more thing. Micellar water. How do you say that? Something. It's like a cleanser. It has like a little push top at the top. I love those. Ew! I don't want your toy all over me, Obi. Come on. Ew. Okay, this was so great. Thank you so much. Like, I want to really dive into this, but if you guys are interested, go check out Mychelle. I know that you can use the code, I think, Clean Beauty, and get like 15% off if you go to their website from the podcast. So go check them out. They are, I believe, based out of Denver. That's where she is. And I'm just so happy that this was sent over to me. I'm so excited to try all these things. I love the glass bottles. I love that everything... Ooh, this smells amazing. I love that everything has a seal on it so that it'll stay, good until I need to use it. And I know this stuff is not cheap. So go check them out. Go show them some love and tell them where you found them. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. And check out my podcast, Clean Beauty. Go check out Katie Wiggy.